Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and change workout length on the ladder. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official ladder application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for ladder, find the application and install it. So after installing it and opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From this main page we can get started with accessing the workouts we want to do, but keep in mind you need the paid subscription on ladder to be able to use the application or to have the free trial that is offered to you once you install the application for the first time, because the ladder cannot be used for free. So once you've gotten that, we can go to the theme section right here to go and choose the theme we want to be a part of, and it's going to give us different exercises. So from here we can get started with accessing our workouts. So basically guys, we are going to open up the workout we want to change the length for. It's going to look like this. This is the main page from where we can go and scroll down and take a look at how the workout looks. So you can open up any of the workouts right here and the exercises, and it's going to give you the option to go ahead and set the time for yourself. So you can see that it shows you the time it takes, and basically you can go ahead and swap it with a different workout that takes a little less time, or you can remove workouts. You can swap them. As you can see, also have the swap option, and you can just click the three dots and remove any workout that's going to cut time from your workout, and that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.